Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th Maths. And our chapter is the triangle and its properties. Student, we know what is triangle. Three-sided closed figure is called a triangle. A triangle you have seen in a simple closed curve made up of three-line segment. Okay, you can tell this type also. Means a triangle is a closed figure made up by three-line segment is called a triangle. Okay, understand? A triangle and if ABC is a triangle, then AB, BC and CA from a closed figure. Okay, these three line segment form a closed figure. These are three sides. What are angle? Angle A, angle B and angle C are the angle of this triangle. And A, B, C are the vertices of this triangle. Okay. Now, we have divided triangle according to its sides and according to its angles. Okay. So, according to its side, we have divided triangle into three parts. That is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all the three sides are equal length. Then we can say that it's an equilateral triangle. Okay. Then, what is isosceles? In isosceles triangle, any two sides of a triangle is of equal length. Okay. So, we can tell them it's an isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal length or two angle opposite to equal sides are equal. See, in isosceles triangle, it's necessary. What is necessary? Any two sides are equal, and which two sides are equal? See here. If I told these ABC are is an isosceles triangle and where AB is equal to AC, means this side is equal to this side. So if this side is equal to this side, so इन दो जो इक्वल साइड्स हैं इनसे बनने वाला एंगल भी इक्वल होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, means any two sides are equal or two angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Understand? Now, what do you mean by scalene triangle? In a scalene triangle, no one side means कोई भी साइड इक्वल लेंथ की नहीं होती है. That is called scalene triangle. Okay, understand? Now, if we talk about according to their angles, so there are also three types. First of all, acute angle triangle means all three angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. What is right angle triangle? One angle is a right angle, then we can say that it's a right angle triangle. Okay. And what is obtuse angle triangle? One angle is an obtuse angle, means more than 90 degree, then and then we can say that it's an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, understand? And we can see in this chapter about median and altitude in our previous video. What is median? What do you mean by median of a straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called a median of a triangle. Okay, means what is median? The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. Understand? Okay. And median is centroid divide the median into the ratio 2:1. Median and centroid lie inside the triangle. Okay. What is centroid? See here. सेंट्रॉइड वैसे आपके कोर्स में नहीं है, बट मैं आपको बताती हूँ. अगर हमारे पास ये एक ट्रायंगल है, इफ जस्ट मिनट, if ABC is any triangle, ABC is any triangle then BE, this B, then BE, AD and CF, okay, understand, are the median of triangle ABC. okay, now हमने बोला BE, AD and CF, okay, these are the median of the triangle. okay, now we have got one point, this is our G. okay, so this point, the point G is known as the centroid. This point G is known as centroid. understand? okay, means median जहाँ पर कट कर रही है, that point is known as centroid of the triangle. understand? okay, now we have learned about median. What is median? Median is a straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called a median of a triangle. understand? okay, now what do you mean by altitude? A perpendicular drawn from a vertex. see, मीडियन क्या कर रही है, आप जो वर्टेक्स से जब उसकी अपोजिट साइड पर लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, तो वो अपोजिट साइड को इक्वली टू हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मीडियन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो परपेंडिकुलर हो, अंडरस्टैंड. बट एल्टीट्यूड, altitude, what is the altitude? A straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with a point on the side opposite to it and is perpendicular to that side is called the altitude. See, if the triangle is this type, here AD is a median. okay, in this figure AD is the median because AD जो है वो BC को इक्वली टू हाफ में डिवाइड कर रही है, अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, बट इन फर्स्ट फिगर D जो पर लाइन आपको दिख रही है वो ज्वाइन वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन नहीं कर रही है, इसलिए मीडियन नहीं होगी. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एल्टीट्यूड, see, if we talk about altitude, then how many altitude you have to drawn? okay, see here, a straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with a point on the side opposite to it and is perpendicular that side is called an altitude. Means in altitude it is compulsory. what is compulsory? कि वो परपेंडिकुलर ही होना चाहिए. Understand? The perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side is called an altitude. Okay, understand? See, what is altitude of a triangle? If we draw, see here, यहाँ पर altitude क्या है? AL is the altitude. AL is the altitude of the triangle. Understand? ओके, हमने बहुत सारी लाइनें खींची बट परपेंडिकुलर कौन सी है? AL. सो वी कैन से दैट AL इज द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, I hope student you have completed exercise 6.1 because today is your holiday. Okay, if you have any doubt in exercise 6.1 please tell me. Okay, now exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is exterior angle of a triangle? See, if we draw an triangle this type, ABC is a triangle, and if we produce BC to D, हमने क्या किया? BC को और आगे तक बढ़ाया, that is D तक हमने उसे आगे बढ़ाया. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? इफ यू प्रोड्यूस BC to D, then what we see? These are our exterior angle X and angle Y is our exterior angle. Okay, So what is exterior angle property of the triangle? Let's see. Now students, see this figure carefully. This is BD is our BD is straight line. Okay, see, BD is our straight line. Okay, and this full angle, what is this? This is a linear pair. This is our linear pair. Okay, understand? This is our linear pair of a straight line. Okay, understand? And you know student, what is our linear pair property? Linear pair always 180 degree होता है. Okay, so we can say that x plus y means ये जो भी एंगल होंगे x plus y प्लस सपोज करेंगे ये वाला एंगल अगर z है तो हम बोलेंगे x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Okay, understand? Now let's see what is our angle x plus y. Okay, so see here, if we draw BC, प्रोड्यूस BC टू D, हमने BC को कहाँ तक बढ़ाया? D तक बढ़ाया. ठीक है. सो व्हाट कैन यू सी इन दिस? ऑब्जर्व ट्रायंगल ABC. BC इज प्रोड्यूस टू D. इट फॉर्म एन एंगल ACD. ओके, ये पूरा एंगल हो रहा है. दिस एंगल इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. Okay, here x plus y is your exterior angle. Okay, now angle 1 and angle 2 is called interior angle because see here, ये triangle के अंदर हैं. It is interior of the triangle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are the interior angle, or you can say that angle A and angle B are the interior angle, and angle ACD means see this A, C and D. This full angle is your exterior angle. Okay, to show, अब हमें बताना क्या है? Angle MACD means this angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, so angle 1 is equal to X and angle 2 is equal to Y. Why? Because see here, AB इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी. हमने क्या किया? जो हमारा ये एंगल बना था, प्रोड्यूस किया, इसके ऊपर हमने एक परपेंडिकुलर डाला. दिस CE इज पैरेलल टू AB. ओके, CE इज पैरेलल टू AB. इफ C इज पैरेलल टू AB, सो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल X बिकॉज दे आर AC. If AC is the transversal, therefore alternate angle should be equal. Okay, understand? So this angle 1 is equal to angle X. Okay, understand? वैसे ही angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Why? Because BA is parallel to CE and BD is the transversal. अगर मैं सिंपल भाषा में आपको बताती हूँ, अगर मैं इसे प्रोड्यूस करती हूँ आगे तक, तो इस केस में AB और CE का ट्रांसवर्सल क्या हो जाएगा? BD. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? और अगर हम ऐसे रखते हैं फ़ोन को, और AB एंड CE का ट्रांसवर्सल क्या है दूसरे उसमें? AC. AC इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. सो इफ AC इज द ट्रांसवर्सल, देन एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल X, एंड इफ BD is the transversal, then angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Okay, understand? Because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, we can say that angle X plus angle Y. Okay, so we can write it angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle X plus angle Y. हमें दो इक्वेशन मिली थी बच्चों. कौन कौन सी दो इक्वेशन? एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल X. क्यों एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल X? बिकॉज AB इज पैरेलल टू CE एंड AC इज अ ट्रांसवर्सल. सो इंटीरियर alternate angle are equal, that's why angle 1 is equal to angle X. Okay, now angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Why? AB is parallel to CE and BD is transversal, so angle 2 is equal to angle Y. We can add both the equation. So अगर हमने ऐड करा तो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल x प्लस एंगल y. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाउ वी कैन से दैट एंगल x प्लस y, क्या है एंगल x प्लस y? सी हियर, एंगल x प्लस y इज टोटल angle C. Okay, so we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle C or angle ACD. Okay, understand? So what is your exterior angle property? The exterior angle property of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Okay, अगर मैं इस वाले एंगल की बात करती हूँ तो ये एंगल इन दोनों एंगल्स के सम के इक्वल होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, ऑलवेज. ठीक है, द अबो रिलेशन बिटवीन एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड इट्स टू इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल इज रिफर्ड टू एज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट exterior angle, so we can say that exterior angle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, understand? Now see here, let's see this example. Find angle x. Okay, now you can see this figure carefully. If you see this figure, this exterior angle is given. Okay, exterior angle is 110 and you know the theorem. What is the theorem? Exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So opposite 110 के opposite angles कौन कौन से दिख रहे हैं? 50 and x. So you can write it 50 plus x is equal to 110 degree. Understand? So your x is 60 degree. Okay, so this way you can solve exercise 6.2. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x if in the following diagram. Okay, हमें x find करना है. So we can see here in the first question, this is your x, this is your exterior angle and opposite interior angle are given. So you can easily write 50 degree plus 70 degree is equal to angle x. Okay, so it's a 120 degree is equal to x. Okay, understand? Now see here, ये आपका एंगल है x, this is your angle x and this is your interior opposite angles. So sum of interior opposite angle is your exterior angle. Okay, so this way you can find the exterior angle. Okay, in first question. Okay, do it by yourself. Now here, if exterior angle is given, so you can find interior angles. Okay, student, you know this sign is always 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree sign. Understand? So this type this is your question number first and question number second. If you want to solve question number first, so it's very easy. If you find x here, 30 plus 40 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 70 degree. Here 65 plus 45. What is your angle? 110 degree. Okay, means 65 plus 45 is equal to x. Okay, understand? So this way you have completed question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2, what you have doing in question number 2? See, if you want to find x, so this is same as an example. We can write 115. We know exterior angle. What is our exterior angle? Exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite angles. Okay, so it's 115 minus 50 is equal to x. ओके, सो इट्स 11 में से 5 माइनस होंगे तो सी करिए इसको माइनस, हियर 5, 11 में से 5 गए दैट इज 6, so your x is 65 degree. Okay, so this way you have solved question number 2 also. Okay, now what is our angle sum property of a triangle? What do you mean by angle sum property of a triangle? So students, see here, if we talk about angle sum property, then first of all we know that exterior angle property. Okay, now you have, I will give you some work. You have draw some triangles. Okay, जैसा आपको बनाना है, आप इस टाइप से बना सकते हो, आप ऐसे बना सकते हो, आपको जैसे भी ट्रायंगल बनाना है आप 8 to 9 ट्रायंगल्स बनाएंगे और सारे ट्रायंगल्स को विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर you can measure and add all the three angles. You can all are know always triangle having three angles. Okay, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Whatever the measurement here, आपको क्या करना है, तीनों को ऐड करना है और आपका आंसर लेकर आना है. Okay, so we can see what is the maximum answer. Okay, then we can do angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, understand? So draw some triangles, 9 or 10 triangles, and measure all the triangle and add all the angles. Okay, means एक ही ट्रायंगल में 3 जो एंगल हैं उन्हें आपको ऐड करना है और बताना है कि उनका सम क्या है. Okay, understand? So do it. Okay, have a good day.